Aloha and welcome to another F Word Friday. I'm Miley Andrus-Price, and today I'm coming to you from my kitchen, which is the heart of my home. And today's F word is formula. And formula means ingredients needed to create something. And so that's why I'm coming to you from my kitchen, because this is where I do a lot of my creating and using my formula or recipe to create some wonderful things. So how does that relate to your life? So I'm going to ask, like always, I'll have a question is like, what's your formula for success? How about what's your formula for a happy life, a happy marriage? You need ingredients and things, steps to create what you desire. So I'd like you to ponder today. Just pick one question that is of most value to you that maybe you've been pondering, like, what is my formula for happiness? For me, part of my formula, part of my ingredients for happiness includes good food, good people, and lots of laughter. I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, please subscribe to my channel and share it with a friend. Till next time, take care now. Oh, and I want to give you, this is another thing that my formula for happiness is to create beauty, or to surround myself with beauty. And these flowers, can you see them? They're called Pua Keni Keni, and they're off of my tree. And that is another formula for happiness for me. Aloha.